Okay, Algebra 1, Unit 4, Lesson 3, measures of center and spread. Oh, what does that mean? Center and spread. Okay, after the couple examples, you will have an idea about what is center and spread. Center means pretty much like the shape of where is the center, where is the middle range of the data set, right? And how this data spread out, what kind of shape if I graph all those numbers, something like that. Okay, number A, part A, find the mean, median, and range of each data set. Okay, what does mean? Mean, what does mean? What does mean in math? It means the average. So the average means average. How do I find out the mean of 1, 2, 3, 4? This 4 number, yeah. So you're gonna add all those numbers together. So 18, add 24, add 26, and then add 30. You add all those numbers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 numbers, right? So we are going to add all of them together and then divide by 4. So use your calculator. 18 plus 24 plus 26 and then plus 30. Then you're going to hit equal. This equal 98 divided by 4. So 98 divided by 4 equal to 24.5. So 24.5. So the mean is 24.5. I don't know why or which mathematician in the past to give the name mean. I feel like it's just called average, right? Average. Okay, second, median. What is median? Median is the number in the middle. When you order, all the data set, you order from small number to big. For example, we have, let me erase this. I'm going to erase this and, I don't know. Okay, what is the median? Okay, we're going to find out the number in the middle after we rearrange the data. Sometimes the data is messy. Some number is big at the front and smaller at the end. But this question is already in good order. From small, getting bigger and bigger and bigger, from the smallest to the biggest. We're going to find the number in the middle one. Okay, we're going to cross out the smallest and the biggest. And then we just keep going. Cross out, oh, but there's no number left. There's no number in the middle. Because we have 4. We have 4 numbers. Yeah? What should I do? So we're going to find out the average of these 2 numbers. So the median is going to be 24 plus 26 and then divide by 2. This is 50, this is 25. Okay? 24 and 26, the number between them is 25. Yeah? And the range, what is range? Range is the biggest number, subtract the smallest number. So biggest is 30, subtract the smaller one, is 18. So the range is 12. Okay, second one. What's the mean? What's the average? So we're going to add all those numbers together. So 5 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Do you have to write out? No, you can just use a calculator. The 5 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Okay, and equal to what? So this is 10. This is 20. Yeah, 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 11, this is 20. So this is 10 plus 20. This is 30. 30 plus 13, that's 43. Yeah? So this is equal to 43. Divided by what? Divided by how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, divided by 5. So 43 divided by 5. Let me use my calculator. 13 divided by 5. Okay, 8.6. So the average or the mean is 8.6. Now, median. So the number 2 is way better than the first one. Why? Because we have 5 number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I cross out the smallest one, the biggest one, and keep going. 1, 1. Oh, we have 9 in the middle. So the median is 9. Range. The biggest number subtract the smallest. So the biggest one is 13 minus 5. That is, what is 13 minus 5? 13 minus 5, that is 8. Yeah? So the range is 8. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 number. We have to rearrange them from small to big. This one is not nice. We have to rearrange them first. Okay, what's the smallest number? 72. Okay, once you write out, you cross out. 72. Next, 77. Next, 82. I believe it's 82. Next, 89. And then 91. And then 93. So rearrange them. Now we have to find out the mean. So you're going to add all the number together. So 72, add 77, add 82, add, I'm using calculator, 89 plus 91 plus 93. This is equal to 504. So 504 divided by how many number? I remember it's 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 504 divided by 6. Divided by 6, this equal to 84. So the mean, the average, is 84. Okay, let's find out the median. Median, cross out 1, cross out 1, cross out 1, another one. Now, we have 2 numbers in the middle. We need to find the average of these 2. So we're going to use 82 plus 89 and then divide by 2. Find the mean of these 2. So 82 plus 89 equal to 171, then divided by 2. So 85.5. Okay, range. The biggest one, subtract the smallest one. So 93 subtract 72, that's 21. The range is 21. All right, number 4. Number 4, we have to rearrange. Oh, decimal. Oy. This is not nice at all. Okay, but we can do it. 0.4. I believe this is the smallest. And the next one should be 0.9. Yeah, 0.9, comma. And what else? 1.0. 1.0. And then 1.2. We have 2 1.2. We need to write out both, okay? Next one, 1.6. 1.6. And then 1.7. 1.7. And the last one, 2.4. Okay, let's check how many number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers. So 8 number, yeah? Now find out the mean. We're going to add all those numbers together. Oh, this is not nice, okay? 0.4 plus, I'm using my calculator. 0.9 plus 1.0 plus 1.2 plus another 1.2 plus 1.6 plus 1.7 plus 2.4. Altogether is 10.4. Divided by 8. Okay, divided by 8. Okay, 1.3. So the mean, the average, you add all the data together and divide by how many of them? Okay, median. Median, we need to find the number in the middle. Okay, let's cross out. Let me cross out 3. I cross out 3 from left, and I cross out 3 from the right. Oh, we have 2 numbers in the middle. And these 2 numbers happen to be the same. So if we add them together and divide by 2, it's still the same number. So the median is 1.2. Range, use the biggest one, 2.4, subtract the smallest one, 0.4. So the range is 2. All right. B, the data set below show the ages of members of 2 clubs. Use data for exercise 5 to 9. Okay. Club A. This is Club A. Club B. Okay. Find the mean, median range and their interquartile range for Club A. Whoa, we have a new word here. Interquartile. Interquartile range. What is the interquartile range? Okay, let's rearrange them first. So Club A, we need to rearrange them from the smallest to biggest, right? Okay, let's check which one is the smallest number. 34, I think. 34 is 35, right? Okay, 34 is the smallest number. So 34. What's next? 35. 35. And the next one, 38. We have another 38. 38. And then we have 40. Yeah, 40 right here. 40. And what's next? 42. 42. And then we have another one, 45. 45. And then 48. Okay, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't miss any number, right? Okay, mean. Add all the number together, use a calculator. You have calculator on your phone, right? So 34 plus 35 plus 38, another 38 plus 40 plus 42 plus 45 plus 48. So we add all of them together. I got 320. I got 320. So 320 divided by how many number? Oh, I forgot already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, divide by 8. Divide by 8. Oh, this is equal to 40. Yeah, 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. Okay, so 40. Okay, median. 8 number. Let me cross out 3 from the left. Another 3 from the right. We have 2 numbers in the middle. We need to add them together, so 38. So we're going to add 38, add 40, and then divide by 2. By the way, what's the number between 38 and 40? 39, yeah. Range, the biggest one minus the smallest one, this is 14. Done. Okay, interquartile range. Interquartile range, okay, what does interquartile means? If we have a data set, okay, let me use some nice number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I have a data set like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is so number 5, we call it the median, right? We have 4 numbers on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the median. This is we also call it Q2. Quadrant is 2. Now we have to find out the median of the left and the median of the right. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4? What's the median? What's the median of the left side, right? This is the major median. Number 5 is the major median. And we're going to find out the median for the left part and the median for the upper part. We call this the lower part, and this is the upper part. Okay, let's cross out 1 and 4. We have 2 and 3 in the middle. We don't have a single number, so we have to average 3 and 2. So 2 plus 3, that's 5. 5 divided by 2, that's 2.5. So the 2.5 is the lower part median, so 2.5. And the upper part median is 7.5, yeah? So we average 7 and 8. We got 7.5. So we also call the lower part median, we call it Q1. And the upper part median, we call it Q3. So look at this, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So the interquartile range, we are using Q3 minus Q1. All right, so that's how to figure out the interquartile range. Okay, now we are going to figure out the Q1. We know we know Q2 right here. The median is 39. Okay, 39. And then this is the lower part. We need to find the median for the lower part. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 numbers. We cross out 34 and 38. We need to find out the average between 35 and 38. So 35 plus 38 divided by 2. So 35 plus 38 equal to 73, and divided by 2, that's 36. Let me use 36.5. That's the Q1. We also call it the median of the lower part. Now let's figure out the higher part, this part. This part we cross out the last one and the first one, and we need to find the average of the 2 numbers in the middle. So 42 plus 45 equal to 87, then divide by 2, 43.5. So this is Q3, 43.5. This is Q3. So now we can find the interquartile range. We use Q3, which is 43.5, subtract Q1. Q1 is 36.5. So 36.5. This is equal to 7. So interquartile range is 7. Okay, now we have to do the same thing for the club B. Yeah, same thing. It's a little more practice. Let's rearrange them. So the smallest one should be 22. And then we have another 22. So 222. And then 27. And then next should be 43, right? 43. And then 44. And then 58. Then 63. And then 65. Median. Let's figure out the median. I'm going to cross out 3 number from the left and the 3 number from the right. We have this 2 number in the middle. So this is going to be 43 plus 44 divided by 2. That is 43.5. Okay. So 43. So 43.5, that's the major median. We also call it Q2. Now we're going to figure out the median of the lower part, which is, I'm going to cross out the 22 and the 43. I'm going to find the average of these 2 numbers. So 22 plus 27. 22 plus 27, then divide by 2. So 22 plus 27 equal to 49 divided by 2. That is 24. So the median of the lower part, we also call Q1. Q1 is 24.5. The average of these 2 numbers. Now, the upper part. I know this is a lot of work and it sounds like a little boring, huh? But we still have to do it. Okay. The upper part. Let's cross out the 44 and the 65. We find the average of these 2 numbers. So we 58 plus 63 and then equal to 121 divided by 2. So 60.5. So 60, let me use yellow. Q3 equal to 60.5. 60.5, that's the median for the upper part. I forgot to figure out the mean. I'm thinking about the interquartile range. Interquartile Q3, which is 6.5, subtract 24.5. This equal to what? 24.5. 36. Wow. Interquartile range. Right? But what is the range? The range is the biggest one, which is 65. Subtract the youngest one, 22. This is what? 43. The total range is 43. The interquartile range always smaller than this one. Okay, mean. What's the mean age? You're going to add all those ages together and divide it by 8, because we have 8 numbers, right? Okay, 22 plus 22 plus 27 plus 43, and then plus 44, and plus 58, and then 63, and then 65. This is equal to what? 344. So we add all the number together equals 344, and then divide by 8. So divide by 8, this equal to 43. So the average age of the club B is 43 years old. Okay, number 7, find the standard. We don't have to do this one. Standard deviation, that's a lot of calculation. We're going to skip this one. Number 8, number 9, still we need standard deviation to figure out those questions. So we're going to skip it at this point, okay? So this is done for lesson 3.